In this video, we are going to discuss about setting up store URLs, store locale and store addresses in Magento. It is an essential step in configuring your online store. Now let's see what is store URLs. Store URLs in Magento refer to the web addresses that customers use to access your online store. Magento allows you to set up different URLs for different store views or websites. And you can configure base URLs, base link URLs and secure base URLs. Next up is locale. Locale refers to the combination of language, regional settings and formatting conventions that are used in your online store. The last one is store address. The store address refers to the physical location of your online store. Magento allows you to set the store's name, street address, phone number and other contact information. Now let's see how to configure this. Log in to your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the Stores menu. Under the Stores tab, click on the Configuration option. In the Configuration panel, locate the General section. Click on the General subsection. In the General subsection, you will see several options to configure your store information such as store information, store contact information, country options and local options. In the store information section, you can set your store name, store email address and store address. In the store contact information section, you can set your store phone number, fax number and hours of operation. In the country sections, you can select your default country and enable or disable the use of states or provinces. Next, in the locale options, you can select your default locale, time zone and currency. After making the desired changes, click on the Save Config button at the top of the page to save your settings.